10 Ways to Make Money Online. If you're looking to supplement your income or even earn a full-time living from the comfort of your own home, earning money online is one of the most convenient ways to do so. If you have basic computer skills and are good at internet research, there are lots of ways to get paid while sitting at home. In this video, we'll look at 10 ways you can use the internet to earn an extra paycheck or even your entire salary in some cases. Let's jump right in. 1. Complete small tasks. Tasks may seem like a meager way to earn some money online, but companies like TaskRabbit are becoming more and more prevalent. That's what makes doing your odd jobs in particular such a great way to earn money online. You can engage with people, like TaskRabbit, on a personal level that you just wouldn't be able to if you were working in an office. If you have a knack for organization, you could even become a virtual assistant or administrative professional at one of these companies. 2. Participate in online surveys. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, such as LeapForce and American Consumer Opinion. These can be a great way to make extra money online. Although there are potential drawbacks, you'll generally get paid per survey, and these survey sites will pay out through PayPal or checks in mail. If you're looking for ways to earn some side cash quickly, participating in research panels might be up your alley. 3. Do freelance work. A quick web search will reveal countless freelancing sites, big ones like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru, and hundreds of thousands of independent freelancers. You can find work online as a virtual assistant, writer, translator, teacher, data entry operator, and much more. And you can even get paid to do online surveys. But be warned, it's highly competitive out there for freelancers. 4. Take paid surveys. This is probably one of the most common ways people earn money online, but it's still a good option if you haven't tried it before. The reason paid surveys work so well is because they fit into that work in your spare time niche. A lot of survey sites will simply pay you for watching videos and answering questions, but here's an idea: how about getting paid to take pictures and write reviews? Check out Vindale Research or User Testing to get started. 5. Sell unused items. Why pay for storage when you could be turning your old junk into cash? Listing items on Craigslist, eBay, Amazon Marketplace, and other similar sites is a fast and easy way to make extra money from unwanted stuff cluttering up your home. Not only will selling those things free up space in your house, it'll also put some cash in your pocket. 6. Work at home during breaks. Working from home is a great way to earn money, and students are often able to find online jobs while they're in school. While you won't make as much as you would working full-time, or have many benefits or a consistent schedule, it can be an easy way to make some extra cash on a flexible schedule. There are also numerous platforms that enable you to work your own hours as opposed to someone else's, which can help you earn more down the road. 7. Become a social media influencer. If you know how to work social media, you can make extra money online or even turn it into a full-time business. Many people are willing to pay $500 or more per post through social media influencers with large followings, giving you a potentially lucrative source of income if you can produce consistent content. 8. Start your own company. Many people dream of running their own business. But you don't need an MBA or six-figure savings to start your own company. You just need a good idea, drive, and some basic business skills. Keep watching this video for tips on what you should do before you launch your startup, plus additional resources that can help you along the way. Here are some questions to ask yourself as you begin planning. Are there competitors in my market? How much will it cost me to get started? What kind of legal structure should I choose? Do I have enough capital for operating expenses until I turn a profit? Will I be able to grow into new markets without losing money? Do I have access to any investors who might help finance my project or pay me if they see potential in my business? 9. Offer services as an entrepreneur. If you have a special skill or a unique talent, there are plenty of people who are willing to pay for your services. If you're lucky, maybe one of them will be me. With businesses and individuals across America looking for ways to cut costs, now is an excellent time to start thinking about freelance gigs as an entrepreneur. This option isn't right for everyone, but it could work well if you have a specialized skill like web development, photography, graphic design, or an area of expertise that can help others make better decisions in their lives, like health and wellness, financial planning, or an area of expertise that can help others grow their business, like marketing strategy, social media management, or skills that could save someone money on daily expenses, like cooking, car maintenance, dog walking, or skills that someone else values so much they'll pay you just to use them occasionally, like musical instrument lessons, coding skills. The best part about becoming an entrepreneur is that there are no rules. You don't need permission from anyone, and you don't need to buy any expensive equipment or software before getting started. 10. Trade currency or stocks. This isn't a way to make money online, exactly, but it is a way to generate income that can add up quickly. When you invest in stocks or foreign exchange markets using an online broker, specifically, when you trade foreign currencies like euros or Japanese yen, you can earn hard interest on cash, which can translate into big earnings over time. You'll want to focus on making trades that get you a better return than just leaving your money in a savings account. In conclusion, we know earning money can be a challenge for many young people, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of legitimate opportunities out there, and more are cropping up every day. Remember, just because an opportunity seems too good to be true doesn't mean it is. If something looks like a scam, you should always do your research and exercise caution. But you shouldn't ignore all potential opportunities just because they're not sure things. Feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more.